Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to express my personal views and analysis on 10 stocks which will be most useful in the month of July as far as the futures and options are concerned. So these 10 stocks you can put in your watch list or you can put in your trading window. You can watch the price movements daily, then you can catch at a particular level if you want to. So before going to this video, I would like to express few points about two types of trading tips platform which were offering known as superfans bull street superfans options. This is one platform in which we are giving trading tips in live market through WhatsApp. So here in options we used to give penny level option trading tips. Penny level option trading tips is nothing but the stock premiums are ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise like that up to 90 paise, less than 1 rupee. We used to give the trading tips in stock option with entry and target. And along with this, we also give low priced, low budget option trading tips. It is nothing but to take one lot of trading, you may be require a capital of say 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, sometimes 2000, 2500 rupees. Such a low priced option trading tips in stock options will be given with the entry and target in live market through WhatsApp. And along with this, we also give penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making. Penny stocks in equity means stock for equity stock cash market prices ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees, which are all unfamiliar stocks, but these stocks may grow enormously in the future. So such kind of equity trading tips will also be given then and there. So this is like a package. To receive these three kind of trading tips, there is a subscription. It is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription either by GPay or PhonePay or Paytm or Amazon Pay to our WhatsApp number. I give the WhatsApp number in the description box. So this is one particular Superfans options trading tips platform, and another one full and full equity. So this is a trading tips group. Those who want to have very much safe trading. Those who those who do not want to take a little bit, even little bit of risk. So for those people, we give trading tips on delivery basis in equity segment only. So high momentum and highly speculative and operated equities scripts are given in this WhatsApp group. The subscription is same 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription for this group also by the same method. So it is better you can join both the trading tips groups, make yourself comfortable to make consistent profits in option and equity. Now let us go to this video. So in this video there are 10 stocks. These 10 stocks are in different segments. So this can be an episode 1. I'll put another video and another video with the different sectors. So in this 10 stocks, I prefer Tata Motors. Tata Motors will give highly trading opportunity in the month of July in F&O, futures and options. And the next stock is Tata Power. Tata Power is also a great stock comparing with Tata Motors. So this will also give a highly trading opportunity in the month of July. And next stock is Indiabulls Housing Finance. Indiabulls Housing Finance is the most preferable stock for me. In the month of June, these stocks did not perform well. So I prefer this stock will be a very good stock in the month of July, in particularly in option segment. And another stock is Bharti Airtel. I have been watching this stock for a couple of months, but this stock did not perform well both in equity and F&O segment. But I believe that this stock will perform well in the month of July because of the 5G rollout. This Bharti Airtel has a tie-up with the TCS. TCS is offering solutions, 5G solutions for Bharti Airtel. So this stock will perform better both in equity and F&O. But here in this video, we are only confined to futures and options. And another stock is BHEL. BHEL is the most affected stock in the month of June in F&O series. But I think that the BHEL will have a sweet bounce back in the month of July. So keep BHEL in your watch list. And another stock is Steel Authority of India. Steel Authority of India is also a much affected stock in the month of June as well as in the month of May. So this stock is in a bounce back mood. So watch SAIL and keep SAIL in your watch list. And another stock is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is the worst affected stock in the month of June because it made a steep vertical fall from 130 level to 112 level. So keep watch this Ashok Leyland stock and put in your watch window. Then if the stock shows any momentum, you can trade. You can go along with the stock and catch their particular entry and exit point. And another stock is the Bajaj Dio, the Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. These two stocks made super duper profits in the last year lockdown period. But whereas in this year these stocks are not performing really well. These stocks will go to certain level and they fall down and they keep silent. So I believe that these Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv stocks will make a high momentum in the month of July F&O series. And another one, Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital may have a great momentum in the month of July because of various news associated with this stock. So I have given 10 stocks. Keep these 10 stocks in your trading watch window. Watch the levels of these stocks and make yourself comfortable with these stocks. Travel along these stocks and identify the level for entry and the target. So if at all you want to make a consistent, fabulous profits, if you want to take a little bit risk, if you have a very limited capital like 10k or 15k, you can subscribe to Bull Street Super Funds Options WhatsApp group. If you have a sufficient amount of capital, working capital and reserve capital, but you don't want to take any risk at all, you can join Super Funds Equity WhatsApp trading tips WhatsApp group. So, or otherwise, I suggest you can subscribe to both of the WhatsApp group. So it will help you for a longer period. So subscribe to both the WhatsApp groups. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.